Hey everyone, it's Maddie, back with another AFI DIY. Today we're going to be making a very versatile used product, a do-it-yourself steam cleaner. This solution is great for steam cleaning capabilities that you can apply to floors, cars, home use, and more. This product is fairly simple to make and can have your carpets looking clean and smelling fresh. So, here's the recipe. Before we start, let's gather our materials. You will need a large mixing bowl, a utensil for stirring, a plastic funnel or pouring pitcher, a bottle for storing the product. To make 18 ounces of product, you will need 78.88% or 16 ounces of deionized water, 2.96% or 0.6 ounces of TKPP, tetrapotassium pyrophosphate, 2.96% or 0.6 ounces of diallyl glycol ether, 14.79% or 3 ounces of bioturge PAS8S, and 0.41% or half a teaspoon of fragrance oil. For today's product, I went to the AFI library and chose a super cleansing and fresh scent, Ocean. Wow, that smells really good. But before we begin, make sure to have your proper equipment, your gloves and your goggles. So let's begin. First, add your deionized water into a mixing bowl. Next, add TKPP, diallyl and bioturge PAS8S into the mixing bowl along with your water. Mix the solution until the chemicals have completely dissolved. Now it's time to add your fragrance and mix well. Now you're ready to package. Simply pour the combination into your pitcher or funnel and transfer into the storage container. For an upgraded product, you can choose for a more attractive packaging. To use this product, dilute 1 to 4 ounces of solution into 1 gallon of water. You can now add your solution into your steam cleaner dispenser and watch your carpets look clean and new again. I know my carpet could use a refresh, and I might just have to take this home. Don't say anything. Just kidding, I'm back. Well, this base ended up costing us about $2, and you can sell it wholesale for $5 to $6 and retail for $8 to $10. If you like this product, make sure to check out our video on heavy-duty industrial cleaner and degreaser. Get your customers into deep cleaning. Well, that's it. I'm Maddie, and thanks so much for watching this AFI DIY. If you like this video, don't hesitate to leave us a like down below and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below, as all of the products and chemicals used in this video will be linked there. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!